Hey everyone, in today's video, we're going to be installing one of my most anticipated mods that I've installed yet. We actually had a dash cam sent out by Mangoal. They are sponsoring this video today to kind of show us G80 and G82 style dash cams and the F-Series cars and any other car you can actually think of, whether it's a truck, Subaru, anything else like that. So today, we're going to be installing their 4K dash cam and we're going to see how it goes. And a few months back, the reason I really wanted to have this dash cam was I actually got hit in my college campus parking lot, and there was no cameras in the parking lot. And so I was not able to find out who hit me. And I always felt if I had a dash cam, I probably would have been able to find out who that was. And maybe got some money back from them, because I had spent a lot of time polishing my rear bumper, but because I was not going to pay to get that repainted. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to open up this box to send us out, and we're going to install this in the car. So our first channel sponsor we've ever had is Mangoal. They recently sent me out a integrated dash cam similar to the G series that had those already integrated for my BMW. So I'm not a big fan of wired dash cams, like coming down to your cigarette lighter, or like some people hardwire their dash cam in and they suction cup it to the roof of their windshield, and that's kind of how people tuck it away. But I really like clean, simplistic designs, and so they sent this out to me, and they specialize in dash cams that are hidden. So they sent this out to me, and we're going to install it, and we're going to review it and see what you guys think. So let's get in this package and see what it comes with. All right, when you first open it up, it comes in a nice little package right here, as you can see. And it comes with a sticker on it, I believe. Yep. That says your model number, so BMW 4 Series. It's pretty nice packaging. And so as you can see here, we're gonna open this up. As you can see, this is very nice packaging. So this kind of slips off like that, and this is gonna lift off like a little shoebox, similar to how like a lot of your Apple packages are. Come on. Just like that. So open it up. Got some directions in here. You can see here all the wiring that integrates factory into our mirror. And then this is, I think this is the front. Yep, the front. And then here is our plastics inside of here that will integrate. I believe they also do sell a rear camera, but it looks like they did not send out the rears to me. So we got our wires. And then this is our, I believe, a GPS. Yep. All right, now that we got that all unboxed, we're gonna head out to the car and install the dash cam. All right, so we made it out to the car. And as you can see here, this is the piece of plastic we're gonna be replacing right here. So as you can see, it's like that. And that's gonna be where our drive recorder is. It's gonna be right behind the mirror, completely tucked away, just like that. Take our pry tool and we're gonna go into the center there, and then that little line, and you're gonna crack that open, and then you're gonna take that plastic part off. Shouldn't even take much force. I did it with my hands. I couldn't get the crowbar thing to really work. As you see here, here is our factory wiring for our mirror, and I believe some type of GPS of some type. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna unplug that wire right there to our mirror, and then we're gonna start installing the rest of our kit here. And as you guys can see here, the texture is the exact same on both panels. Here is the new piece, and I misspoke earlier. They did actually send me a reverse camera as well. Well, not reverse camera, rear-facing camera. So as you can see here, there's an SD card slot on it. There's the camera inside and outside. And that's where we're gonna be plugging in the GPS, the rear camera, and the tap kit, just like that. And so that should just be able to slide up right behind there, and should be able to mount pretty easily. I'm gonna pop off that serial number before, and then before I install it, I'll take off that little camera cap as well. So go ahead and grab your tap kit right there, and you should be all good. Okay, so what it should be, there is behind this big plug back here, there's a maroon connector. You're gonna unplug that maroon connector, plug in the little power tap like that, plug it all back in, and here's your power cord for this. It does take a little bit of finagling, but once you get in there, it should look all nice like that. Completely hidden, no wires. And once I touch this, ignition, that's blinking, but I mean, on the camera it's blinking, but the direction's actually not blinking. So you heard that little sound of it coming on, and just like that, it's ready to record. Simple like that. Completely plug and play, no issues. It's nice. And so now you put in your memory device on this side right here, and then download the Skycam app, and we should be able to get our footage off it. And there we go. SD card in, camera's right there. Nice. Perfectly integrated into the factory system. All right, and this is an example of some of the basic footage that it records as you drive. So in the camera's app, you can set different recording times. So mine are set to 1 minute intervals. So they'll continuously have like a 1 minute loop. So after 1 minute ends, they'll start another 1 minute. And as you can see here, it's super clear. This is a 4K dash cam. And so you can read license plates, you can go back and look at all your previous footage and everything else like that, and anything else you want. It also records audio, so you can hear audio inside of the cabin and outside. So it's super helpful just to be able to get all those clips while driving. And so now we're looking at some of the night footage. As you can see, even at night, it's super bright. You can see anything you want to see. You can see license plates, cars, even when the street looks well lit right now. It's really not the best lit street because the light posts in this area are not the best. So as you can see, whether it's in day or nighttime, it's a quality dash cam that I would recommend. All right, it's been around a week and a half since the install. The dash cam is working out great. Anything I want to be able to pull from the camera has been super easy. All you do is hop in your phone, hop in the Wi-Fi router. It produces a little Wi-Fi signal, and you should be all good. Just connect to that, connect the app. You can download the files right from the app. You can screen record, take pictures with it. Honestly, it's amazing. Thank you again for Mangoal for sending this out to me. It was a really simple install. All it is plug and play, two pieces of plastic, and then you're set. I still have not installed the rear cam. That'll be a different day because I need to remove a few seals and stuff like that just to try and run that wire all the way out to that back window. But I'll probably be doing that later this month once I have time to do that. But if anyone's looking for a dash cam that can easily integrate, that nobody's going to notice, it's not going to clutter your screen, this is something I'd recommend. Honestly, it's clear, does a good job, like 60 FPS for the most part. You can read letters very well at night and day. So yeah, if you have a BMW or any other manufacturer, Mangoal manufactures a lot of dash cams for a lot of different vehicles, whether that be Camaros, Silverados, like from trucks to anything else like that. It works out well. So I'd really recommend their product, and anyone else who wants to install a dash cam without being noticed. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully there's more to come soon. Thank you guys.